This Greek chicken gyro recipe is so easy, and you can make this right in the skillet. First, we want to marinate the chicken to infuse some flavor. In a bowl, I have a half a cup of whole plain yogurt, and I'm adding the zest of 1 lemon and the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon each of oregano and paprika, and here you could also use smoked paprika if you wish, and a teaspoon each of ground cumin and coriander. And finally, 3 cloves of minced garlic, giving that a good mix. I'm adding in the chicken pieces and coating them well with the marinade. I used 2 boneless chicken breasts that I cut in half, so they're about a ½ inch thick. Covering and refrigerating for 1 hour, and overnight is even better. I prepared the chicken in the morning and marinated until supper time. You can cook the chicken on the grill, or tonight I'm using my cast iron grill pan. I have my heat on medium-high, and I'm coating the pan with oil and placing in my chicken. These will cook for 5 to 7 minutes on each side or until done. The yogurt will help to get some nice char on the outside, and this will add some flavor. Once they are done, I'm removing from the heat, letting them rest for about 10 minutes, and then cutting into strips for our gyros. I have some pita bread that I'm lightly heating in a pan on low-medium heat. Now it's time to put these chicken gyros together. I'm putting on a good spoonful of tzatziki sauce. It is a Greek sauce with cucumbers, garlic, and dill, and this really brings all the flavors together. I do have a recipe on my channel, and I will leave a link below in the description box. You can use lettuce that you like. I like to shred the lettuce and make a bed for the chicken. Now the chicken pieces, and don't be stingy. Gotta have the cucumber slices to add a little crunch. Thinly sliced tomato slices. Thinly sliced red onions. And finally, a sprinkle of feta cheese. Now that is a chicken gyro. You could add on some olives and even top with a little more sauce. These chicken gyros are so fun to make and full of flavor, and they were gone within minutes. Serving tonight with some French fries. And let's make another one. I hope you give these easy and delicious chicken gyros a try, and enjoy. If you don't have the money to buy shaved ribeye steak to make Philly cheesesteak, then this is a great alternative and just as good. You can have this delicious rich ground beef Philly cheesesteak ready in about 20 minutes. I'm starting by sautéing the veggies. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in about 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of diced onions, half a bell pepper, and about 1½ cups of diced mushrooms. The mushrooms really add texture and a lot of flavor to this Philly sandwich. Sprinkling with a little steak or beef seasoning, cooking and stirring 5 to 7 minutes or until the veggies soften. After the veggies are done, I'm removing from the pan. In the same pan on medium heat, I have 1 pound of lean ground beef, cooking and chopping until no longer pink. As you can see, this meat is not as lean as I thought, so I'm draining off the excess fat. Sprinkling with a little more steak seasoning, adding in 1 clove of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon each of ketchup and steak sauce. You can use your favorite steak sauce. It just adds a little more depth of flavor. A little sprinkle of black pepper, cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. And now I'm adding the cooked veggies back into the pan and stirring to combine. And now the cheese. I turned my heat off. You can add the cheese that you like. Tonight I have some shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and I really like Munster cheese. Putting my lid back on and letting the cheese melt. I toasted some rolls and I'm placing in a good portion of that cheesy beef. You can put on some mayonnaise or any sauce that you like. You can also top with some lettuce, tomatoes, or even some hot peppers. Make it the way you like it. Serving tonight with some barbecue chips and pickled tomatoes. This ground beef Philly cheesesteak sandwich is so rich and good. I hope you give it a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!